Old man with a slow sign, he ain't getting out there very far. Oh, wow. Something come undone. What? Oh, something with a panel hitch come undone. Wonder if he was towing that truck. Did you see the chain on the back of that truck all wound up? That's what it looked like. Okay, as you can see, sun's getting low. I'm going to rant for a second, so if you don't like rants, go ahead and just click off. I don't know where this video is going to end up, on which other video, but I just left York, Nebraska, the Petro. I stopped at the Iron Skillet, had dinner. I'm sitting there, and the waitress is super nice to this guy sitting over at the bar, trying to order. He can't hardly speak English, European, and he won't bet you, yeah. And she goes out of her way to help this guy order, get what he wants. So I'm sitting there, and he gets up right before I do. When the waitress, she gives me my ticket, she gives him his ticket. He walks into the store. When she walks back into the kitchen, I see him get up and go walk into the store to the bathroom and come back out. And as I'm paying, he walks out the door. And, you know, you can tell when somebody's guilty. He looks at me a couple times because he sees me. I kind of eye him a couple times. I'm thinking he's going out to he's in a one of those Sprinter vans, one of those Expediter vans. He's in one of those. And I'm thinking he's going out there to get his wallet, because I'm bad about leaving my wallet in the in here in the console. So I think nothing of it. I take off. I'm pulling out onto the road. I look behind me. He's behind me. He never went back in and paid. That piece of crap dumped on that freaking waitress, who sat there and helped him, and just, you know, and then while we're sitting there eating, another driver comes in, sits beside me, or in the booth next to me, and he starts playing. I'm guessing he's FaceTiming with half of his country. I don't know. I thought it was a video at first. I'm thinking, dude, really? I mean, everybody in there could hear this phone. And then he starts talking like I'm talking now. I'm speaking very loud, so the microphone. It's like, dude, you are not the only one here trying to enjoy your meal. Dude, shut the. You know, I'm sorry. You foreigners don't want to be treated differently. Don't act differently. Crap. Man. I mean, that first scuzzball, I wish I'd went and got his license plate. If I'd known he was going to skip out on the ticket, I would have followed him and got his license plate. Man, I tell you what, I guarantee you, most of y'all bust your ass so that, you know, to pay our bills and stuff, and you got scumbag, Eastern European scumbag, skipping out on a meal. Don't order the damn meal if you can't pay for it. I don't care. He never complained. He probably had no intention to ever pay. He probably very seldom pays for a meal. People like that are just, I don't know, scum of the earth. I wish I'd seen him. I wish I'd got his tag number. Not that they would have done anything, but still. And the other guy, I tell you what, I was like, you know, dude, turn the damn phone down. I don't want to hear you and your village having a party or whatever. Okay. Rant over. I feel a little bit better. I gotta calm down. I just had a big chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and salad, and a cup of coffee. Okay, 3 cups of coffee. But anyway, if you order a meal, pay for your damn meal. Everybody else does. If you don't like it, tell them you don't like it. But I guarantee you, that guy might say, "Oh, there's some deer. Oh, hell yeah, man, there's some big old deer down that creek. There's a time of day for it." Anyway, I'm sorry. Easily distracted by deer. I'm out of here. I just want to rant and tell you that. You know, you don't want to be stereotyped. Don't do stereotypical stuff.